The agony of defeat.
Review the footage.
So it's better than it did over the weekend. Over the weekend, man, I got pretty scared.
Yeah. It's pretty gentle, like I said, just little movements.
And about all I really ever do with my helicopters is like figure eights.
Yeah.
I'm probably too tight on my turns, but
yeah,
it's hard to break some of the helicopter habits. That's like
just trying to make them smooth and sweeping.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah, figure.
I mean, I'm sure that like trims can be adjusted to make it a little better.
I mean, it's flies straight. You take your hands off it. It's trimmed well. Yeah, you can, like I said, do dual rates and things like that.
I feel a bug on my arm, but I think it's probably just a gnat, so I'm not going to sweat it.
I would, on your next pass, go farther out and then just like line up.
I have never done a range check, and I know that sounds crazy, but
Yeah, to me, I don't do them very. Maybe a new, freshly built plane, I'll do it, but radios nowadays are pretty solid. Yeah, go a little farther out and then kind of line up like you're going to land, just get a feel for it, you know what I mean? This plane's that flies like a pussycat. And you could land from this way since you got a lot more rolled out, you know what I mean? Start running out of real estate real quick going in that direction. There's not any much of a breeze to talk of, so that doesn't matter.
you want me to land it?
Yeah. I brought my jet up.
Going long, going around. Don't want to put it in the trees.
Don't land it so far. You got to walk far.
Yeah, I
So
know.
you can land from this direction too, so you got more room.
Minutes.
Seems kind of high.
Fly a little bit while you're up there. Go up a little bit, put the flaps on so you get a feel for what that's. Not a big difference, but it'll slow you up some.
It's a pretty docile airplane. I mean, it was pretty ballsy of me. I just went to my RC field with the other plane and just flew it. I didn't have anybody. I didn't have a buddy box. I'm like, well,
That's what I did with my first airplane.
all right, guys, hold my beer. Yeah, see what I can do.
60 seconds.
Yeah, these gnats are kind of irritating.
4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Yeah, I wish those radios had the voice on the switches. I can't believe that they got it for the countdown, but not for the switches.
I'm at the back taxi. That wasn't something that fell off, was it? Was that just like a leaf? Yeah, it definitely feels better than it did last weekend. Last weekend, it was pretty sketchy. And I mean, it's an airplane. It's not a helicopter. I'm kind of bringing helicopter habits in. I mean, hopefully I'm flying fast enough. I mean, right there's a danger of getting into a stall spin.
Well, you want to, you gotta be able to fly it fast and slow, huh?
Go on around. That was too long.
Try and land from that direction.
Go over the trees and come back.
Make a turn and yeah.
5 minutes. 5
Oh,
minutes.
Dang it.
Miscombobulated?
I did. That sucks. Left and right, right and left.
Got the throttle down.
Yeah.
There's something
I was
soft.
doing so well, man.
Oh,
I guess I,
you know, when
I
you
just
get
need
into
to
those turns,
yeah.
you just hold it and then let go it and straighten out. You know what I mean?
Because I just need to stick with helicopters because I suck with airplanes.
Ah, I can't believe that. You can fly a helicopter, you can fly an airplane.
We might have a hard time finding it because I think it went into the trees. Do those trees go all the way back?
We're so close. Probably better to hit over there than here, I would guess. Rather than having to retrieve it. Maybe it's in a nice cushy bush.
I guess it's a good argument for having the buddy box just in case. But I mean, I wasn't very high, so even if you handed it over to somebody else, it's like a split-second thing.
Set the radio down.
We might have a hard time finding this.
I might go through here.
So I do have an Agnia defeat video. I should have just
It's probably
called it.
right in there.
I should have called it. I was tempted to just,
When you're
I
on-
landed a couple times. I should have just said, ah,
You were doing so good.
well, yeah, I was having fun. The only difference was I went out further. Wait. I hear humming. Oh, I see it.
You see it?
I see the top nose canopy cover. The plane might still be in the tree. If a tree caught it, it might not be.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's cushy at least.
Where is it? I hear it. There it is.
Reachable?
If we have a chainsaw.
Huh?
If we have a chainsaw, I mean, the wings still look like they're on.
Is it up above on the canopy?
Yeah. I might have got lucky, but I don't know. It's still going to cost money, I'm sure, to fix. I don't know how in the world we're going to get up there.
Get under it and start breaking branches.
I'm going to have to climb a tree. I don't really see any serious damage. Landing gear is still on.
Yeah. These you want to kind of bend them down.
But yeah, if it crashed into the dirt like this, it would have been done for
Yeah.
sure. I mean, I'm sure it's going to have some serious hanger rash.
Can you pull down on them big branches? Even if you have to snap it?
Wait, I want to get a picture of this. This is almost kind of humorous.
Yeah, you kind of went in inverted.
Yeah, it's hit just like it is. I don't see how to switch this. All right, photo. If I had thrust reverse, I could just.
No, the nose is pointing down and the tail's over here. That's not good something.
What do you mean? As far as getting it out? Or damage
Oh,
wise?
it's the wing.
Yeah.
I thought that was rudder. Okay, good. Forget. It was maybe.
If you could come over here, look at it, man. Like, I don't see anything damaged. It's like the tree caught it perfectly. And I mean, considering that there's no trees over there, like
Oh, yeah.
that might have been like the perfect spot for it to crash.
Oh, yeah. Oh, perfect.
I don't know, man. I almost feel like I'm gonna have to try to climb. Because it might get more damage ripping it out.
Well, I'm trying to get the branches away from it.
This isn't something you want to do at the RC field. I was already thinking maybe the other guy was like laughing because I'm flying a cheap foamy, but
Don't worry about that.
everybody's got to start somewhere.
Doesn't matter.
Oh man, this thing's still flyable. I'm
Yeah.
extremely
that's
lucky.
pretty good.
I'm trying not to like hit you.
You can get that branch right there. This one.
It's gonna be hard to get out. This is so
Yeah,
overgrown back here.
Once you get it down. An air crane.
Yeah, we could probably. You see the video where the guy in the helicopter rescues the guy's plane? Yeah, I'll send it to you. Like he says, "Oh man, that guy just crashed his plane in that tree." He's like, "I have the controls." So the flight instructor took the controls, hovered down, let the student reach out and grab the plane.
Oh, you mean a full size?
Yeah, the Bill helicopter saved the RC airplane.
Oh, gotcha. So we got a hole here if we can